this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to create a pivot table in Excel using a simple dataset. Our table includes the following columns: date, category, region, product, and price. The first step is to select your table and then go to the top menu and click on the Insert tab. Then select Pivot Table. A window will pop up and make sure your table range is selected correctly. Choose whether you want the pivot table in a new worksheet or in the existing one. Click OK. On the right side, you'll see the Pivot Table Fields panel. Here you'll find all your columns headers. Below that you have 4 areas: filters, columns, rows, and values. Let's create a simple report. First, we are going to put category into the rows area, region into the columns area, and price into the values area. Excel will automatically calculate the sum of prices. Now you can see total sales by category and region. Now click anywhere in the pivot table, go to Design tab to apply styles and make it look cleaner. And that's it. That's how you create a pivot table in Excel. Pivot tables are a powerful tool to quickly analyze and summarize your data. So thank you very much and see you in the next tutorial.